Assalomu alaykum MMA va UFC olami muxlis va muxlisalari. Sizlar bilan MMA Info kanali. Agar sizlarga MMA olamidagi so'nggi yangiliklar, podkastlar, intervyular va jang tahlillari kerak bo'ladigan bo'lsa va qiziqadigan bo'lsanglar, aynan kanalimga obuna bo'lib qo'yish esingizdan chiqmasin va video yoqadigan bo'lsa, like tugmasini qizartirib qo'yinglar. Sizlar bilan men Murodxon va men boshladim. Ilya Topuria yengil vaznda va sen ikkala jangchi bilan jang qilgan sifatida bu potensial jangda fikring qanaqa? Bilasanmi nima? Hammasi islomni Ilya tuta oladimi? Va bilasanmi nima? Ilya bu Ilya qila oladigan narsa. Ya'ni uning zarbalari va boksi oxir oqibat jangni tutib oladi. Tushunyapsanmi? Nima demoqchiman? Agar u birinchi marta o'xshata olmasa, o'xshaguncha harakat qiladi. Umuman olganda islom uchun qiyin raqib, chunki unda kuchli himoya va u biladiki, Ilya uni tutib olishga harakat qiladi. Umuman olganda agar Ilya uni jag'iga tushirsa, u hammani uxlatib qo'ya oladi. Hattoki barcha yengil vazirlarni. Va o'ylaymanki, aynan shu uxlata olish uning yagona imkoniyati bo'ladi islomga qarshi. Yana bir narsa bilamizki, Ilyada yaxshi grappling baza bor, ammo sen uni hech yuqori darajada ko'rmaguninggacha bila olmaysan. Agar u islomni takedownlardan himoyalansa, balki fikrimni o'zgartirarman. Lekin hozir men o'zim bilganimga tayinaman, chunki Ilya hali islomdek kuchli raqibga, grappler jangchiga duch kelmagan. Bilasanmi nima? Ilyaning zarbasi juda qattiq. Va men birinchi marta his qilganimda umuman olganda his qilmaganman, chunki islomiyman. Umuman olganda agar u islomni tuta olsa tamom, chunki u aynan yengil vazndagi eng xavfli bolalardan bittasi. Ha, bu qiziqarli jang bo'ladi. Bilasanmi nima? Menimcha distansiya haqida o'ylamasak ham bo'ladi, chunki islom uni saqlash uchun tana zarbalaridan foydalanadi. Menimcha islom chapaqay va Ilya o'ngaqay. Va agar islom tana zarbalarini bersa, Ilya islomning oyoqlarini ushlab takedownga boradimi? Menimcha yo'q. Senga qo'shilaman, u o'zini ishini qiladi va zarbalar beradi, 3 talik kombinatsiyalar, 4 talik kombinatsiyalar qiladi, nokaut qilish uchun. Lekin sen islomning judosi haqida ham o'ylashing kerak. Ya'ni senga yaqinlashish, klinchga kirish, bular o'ylashimcha X faktor bo'ladi. Bu yerda kim xavfsiz joyni saqlash va raqibini usluban mag'lub qila olishi muhim. Ilya takedowndan himoyalanadimi? Chunki u yaxshi boksyor, hattoki Dastindan ham, lekin undan ko'ra kuchliroq uradimi? Ishonchim komil emas. Chunki biz ko'rdik, islom Dastinga qarshi unga takedownlar qildi, bo'g'ib qo'ydi, to'g'rimi? Umuman olganda bu ajoyib jang bo'ladi. Chunki biz islomning allaqachon eng zo'r boksyorga qarshi nima qila olishini ko'rdik va hammasi Ilya nimadir boshqacha, ya'ni o'zgacha qila oladimi? Shunga bog'liq.
Islam being a southpaw.
Bilasanmi, sen gapingga qo'shilaman. Islom chapaqay va qachonki sen chapaqay bilan urushganingda sen
a lot of your shot selections and everything changes with a completely different
va bu Ilya uchun juda katta muammolar tug'diradi.
So I think that's going to give him
chunki
a lot of different problems. He's got time to work on those things, obviously. But I just don't think he's, I talked about being stoic and being on task and having that flow or that process to finding the shot. I think I will say this, I feel like he's a lot more effective on orthodox than southpaws. I'll say that.
Yeah,
I'll say that now.
You're saying Ilya Topuria is more effective against orthodox than southpaws.
Jang qiladiganlar,
yes, even from little.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Yep, I agree. I feel Ilya Topuria fights better when he fights
o'nga
orthodox
qaylar bilan
because
urushganda
that's what you
yaxshiroq
get used
ko'rinadi
to
va buni
seeing
ko'rganmiz.
when he fights somebody who's
Va
southpaw.
bilasanmi,
Because that's one of the
bularning
things
hammasi
that Islam
Ilyaga
did.
qarshi
He
chiqishi
threw
mumkin
that body
bo'lgan hamma
kick
narsa
because
islomda bor.
you're shorter, right?
Tana
Like even
zarbalarini
when I fight
beradi,
guys who are taller
Ilya Islomdan
and
kamtaroq.
they go southpaw and
Masalan,
they throw that body kick, I'm like,
men
fuck, I
qachonki
can't
o'zim
get
uzunroq va
to
chapaqay
him.
bolalar
If
bilan
they throw the
urushganimda
body kick
va
correctly,
ular
right?
ayniqsa
If
tana
they throw it like,
zarbalarini
you know,
yo'llaganda,
a whip,
bilasanmi
you're
nima
gonna be able
deyman?
to get to him. But if I throw like a Muay
unga
Thai,
qanday
like a
yaqinlashaman?
boom, and
deyman.
drive my knee across your fucking
Va agar ular bu
forearms,
to'g'ri
like,
qilsa, lekin agar
there's
u
no
Muay Thai
opportunity for you
usulida
to counter.
tepsa, tizzalari sani bilaglaring
It's a
bo'lib
lot harder
o'tsa,
to deal with, and
senda
that's where
hech
I
qanaqa
think
imkoniyatlar qolmaydi va
Islam's
aynan
going to try to
shu
do. But then,
islom
like you said,
qiladigan usul deb
Uthman is
o'ylayman.
like, okay, I'm gonna have to eat
Yana bir
that
narsa,
right hand
agar
immediately,
Ilya bu
or
zarbalarni
eat it,
qabul
try to
qilishga rozi
wrestle,
bo'lsa
eat it,
va
or try to get closer to
o'ng
him.
qo'l
So it's
zarbasini
an
bersa
interesting
yoki
matchup,
kurashga harakat
and
qilib
I
ko'rsa,
can't wait to see
nima bo'ladi?
how those two approach.
Umuman olganda bu qiziqarli jang
dynamic
va
of
bularning
that
jangini
fight.
ko'rish men uchun juda ham qiziq.
Yeah, it's funny because
Va bilasanmi
he's
nimasi
El
qiziqarli?
Matador, right? Like
Yep.
Ilya's El
Ilya
Matador.
Yep.
bu El
But I
Matador.
know Islam,
Islom
their
esa
approach in
zarbalar
their striking
zarbalar
is to
almashinuvida
be
aynan
the
Matador stilida
Matador.
urishadi.
So they even say that. I'm pretty
Bilasanmi
sure
nima?
they even say that in the corner.
Islom
I think
burchagida
Javier's like, be the
Javier
Matador,
ham
be the
Matador
Matadors.
bo'l
Like, bait
deb
them,
aytsa
let
ham
them do
kerak.
all the work.
Yep.
Ya'ni
So you they
kutib
can
ol
counter
deb.
or time the shots coming in and stuff like that. So it's
Va
funny.
bilasanmi nima?
Islam's really good
Matador
at playing their
rolida juda
El
yaxshi
Matador.
o'ynaydi va bu
Where,
yerda Ilya Matador emas,
you know, that's
nabaron.
Ilya is different.
Ilya's going to be the bull.
Exactly. I think Ilya's
Bilasanmi?
Ilya's
Ilya
always been the fucking
doim
bull.
lanati
Even when he
Buxoroda
fought
bo'lgan.
you, when he fought
Masalan,
Max, when he fought
Sam bilan
Bryce
urushganda,
Mitchell,
Max
he's
bilan
always
urushganda, Bruce
coming,
Mitchell bilan
and that's why I
urushganda
think
u
it's so
doim
hard to
oldinga
fight.
boradi va
Because even when I
o'ylaymanki
don't fight
aynan
anymore, but I'm like,
shu
hey, where do you beat a guy
jangni
like
Islam
Ilya?
uchun
Where do you beat a guy like
qiyinlashtiradi.
Volk? Where do you beat all these guys? And I feel with Ilya, if you try to run from him,